Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to show you how to find your organization ID in Claude. So why might this be important? One, it could be that you're troubleshooting account or access problems. I know if Claude suspends your account, they will oftentimes ask for your organization ID. So it can be helpful to have this logged somewhere. Also, if you're setting up an API tool or integrations, some require the organization ID. So let's jump in. If you're in Claude Desktop, you're going to go down to the bottom left corner to your name. You're going to click your name, go to Settings, and then go to Account. And once Account loads, you'll see Organization ID. And there's a handy little copy button right next to it. If you're using Claude on the web, you'll go to Claude.ai, select your name in the bottom left corner again, go to Settings, and you guessed it, go to Account, and you'll see your organization ID there. Okay, well that's the steps to find your organization ID in Claude. If you have any questions, feel free to comment in the comment section below. And if this helped, please give this video a thumbs up. It really does help. And as always, thanks for watching.